So here's the thing. We need like an outdoor countertop for our outdoor kitchen stuff that is a little more functional than what we have there. So I'm gonna build a really cool like just outdoor kitchen shelf deal to put up against the Shabin out of some old lumber from the deck we took off a while back. And hopefully it'll be a little more functional. That's kind of the goal around here, more function. Okay, so I'm gonna start by cutting a couple of these boards to length, and I'm gonna use this awesome battery-powered chainsaw. All right, there's one board. It's an awesome little saw. All right, got those 4 cut. Now I gotta make some ends. All right, a couple more to cut here, and we'll be able to build our frame for our shelf slash table, whatever you want to call it, camp kitchen. Now we can tack it together.
Ooh. One,
2. Awesome. So while I'm outside building our new outdoor camp kitchen,
I am slaving away in this ridiculously hot cabin.
you hear that air conditioner roaring behind me? It's beautiful in here. So we put that one there.
Which is solar, by the way.
They are solar, and that's
No,
what's
that
so cool.
air conditioner.
The air conditioner is running by our generator.
Solar.
So he put one above the mirror here in the bathroom. Those are solar, which will be really awesome. Hi, Hunter. And we're gonna put one underneath our cupboards over there also. And then I believe he's putting one up in the bunk. Is that right, Jay?
I was going to put one up there. I was going to put one over by the home security system, and then one under the...
Oh, how many do we have?
5, I think.
5.
Or no.
Yeah, we got 2 more here.
Oh,
4.
Then just one up there and one over there.
Awesome. I love it. That will be... Wow, that's bright. I like it. Dogs are soaking up some AC. Hammond.
What's really cool is I'm going to be able to leave this switch in line. So let's say we leave that on over there and we forget and we're in bed. We can turn it on from over here. Shut up.
What?
I know.
All right. I'll be outside sweating.
Okay.
Building our camp kitchen.
Okay.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye. Oh.
Oh. Yeah. Okay. Alrighty, back to this camp kitchen. So, let's start by building the frames. It's probably not going to be the most square thing in the world since I cut it with a chainsaw, but it'll be perfect for the outdoors. I love using reclaimed lumber for things. Go with 38 inches. So now I'm gonna cut these guys at 38 inches to be my legs. If I even have that. Maybe I have to make sure my boards are long enough. Oh yeah. All right, 38. It's ready to be cut. 38. 38, and guess what? One more at 38. Get my handy dandy chainsaw out. Okay, leg number 1. Let's put our legs on. I just realized I have pockets. It's a lot better. Holy moly, you guys, it's so hot. Okay. One more leg. Again, hopefully we can square them up once we get them all on there and stand her up. Okay, I think I'm just gonna leave it lay like that and take the top of my camp kitchen and hopefully just weasel it on there here. And it should square up once I get this top on. About to stand her up. It's so exciting. It's gonna be one fancy table. That should be enough screws to tack it together to stand it up. There's nothing level here at the Shabin, so we'll have to dig this backside down into the ground a little bit. Man, I think that'll be a nice cooking surface. All right, I'm gonna get a shovel. Actually, maybe we want it this far over and then we can put the trash can right here. Yes, I think that's the way to go. It actually might work, hey? It looks pretty level. Awesome. All right, now I just need to find something to fill it in to make it a table. I'll be back. Okay, so I got myself a board that'll fit in here nice, and I'm just gonna take and use this kind of as a jig and cut a bunch of these to lay inside here. Dandy marker. Can't say that I've ever built a table with a chainsaw before, but once this is done, I will be able to say that, because why not? An electric chainsaw, of course. Tell Jason I did that. get some screws started. These pockets are awesome. Pick the pretty side to be the top. Try and get it flush and level with the top of this here. It's going to take a lot more boards than I cut, I think. Just have to chainsaw more boards. I didn't say it was going to be pretty. Maybe just pretty rustic. But again, a lot more functional for all of the cooking stuff. Hey.
Oh, what? Whoa.
Ooh.
That's how the top's going?
Yeah.
You had more short boards than long boards, or what?
I just know I'm down to long boards, but say hi. Behind you.
Is there somebody behind me right now?
There is somebody right there. Watch out.
Hi!
Do you like my table?
Do you like it?
My board.
Do you like how the boards go this way?
Ah, okay, here we go. Here we go.
Geez, what'd you cut that with? A beaver?
A chainsaw.
It's like a beaver.
So here is how it's going. There is the top. And actually the shelf below, I'll space them out even wider.
What?
But I have to go get some more boards to chainsaw.
What's this?
It's a gap.
Are they all the same?
Ah, they're close.
How am I gonna put stuff on there with that gap?
You're going to, I'll show you how.
Big, smaller, middle.
Yep.
Small.
Don't judge. It's a chainsaw table, camp kitchen. And it's gonna be beautiful.
Always.
All right, and there it is, camp kitchen built by chainsaw. Far from good, but good from afar. But man, that'll be a lot more functional for all of that crap over there. And I think it looks pretty nice, actually. Let's make it a functional kitchen. Right away, that'll be just nice to store things underneath there. Really nice. Mountain Dew, Coors Light, water. So we've been washing our hands with. I think that'll look really good. On dish soap to wash off poison ivy. Grandpa's coffee maker. Well, not grandpa, great grandpa, right?
My grandpa.
Your grandpa.
Percolator.
But not the guy we call grandpa, even though he's not our grandpa.
You can see because he etched Bob Dybeck in everything he owned. All the way down to each individual socket.
Yeah.
Every
pretty
socket.
cool.
Everything.
There's his name. That's pretty neat, huh? over here. And then put our propane tank line through and set our tank under there.
Yeah, that'd be fine.
I'm not going to do water over. Just be nice to have everything off the ground. Even this guy can go over here. Important stuff. Bug spray. Look at that. Camp kitchen. And just like that, we filled it up. Hi, Herman. Hi, Herman. He's hot too. All right, look at the function. The propane tank's off the ground. We have a place for our cooler and extra drinks and more space for more stuff underneath there, and hand washing station. There's room for our grill and our 2 propane burners out here, which before on the other little table we'd have to take the grill off and then swap them out all the time, and that was frustrating. So, yep, another project done. Something to make the Shabin a little more functional. And I am like really hot and dirty. Hot and sweaty and dirty. Yeah. So Hunter, our son, made an awesome like makeshift shower. So I'll show you that quick. And I think I'm gonna go use it and get clean and get this sweat and dirt and off me. It's probably why the flies are swarming me. It's terrible. Terrible, terrible. All right. You coming with me, Griffiths?
What? Oh, yeah.
Give us a shower tour?
Sure.
All right.
Keep her above the waist.
Woo. All right. 1 second here. I'll flip her around. All right. Got a platform. Hunter built that. All right. Let's hear it.
Now, evidently to a 16-year-old out in the middle of nowhere, privacy is a huge issue. So we had to have this tarp.
Okay.
But what's really
I agree.
neat is,
I agree. The tarp, I like it. You never know. A deer might walk by.
so what's really neat is 2 gallons. And I thought for sure that there's no way that you could shower with 2 gallons of water. But this is what he has left after he took his shower.
It's not very much. He didn't use a lot of water.
Just rig this up to where you just grab this and, you know.
Oh. Yeah. I like it.
Wet, wash, rinse.
Yeah. Awesome. I'm going to try it out. I have hair down to my butt, so that should be interesting.
So does he.
Actually, that's true. He's pretty fluffy himself, so. All right. I'm going to get clean. See you later. Hey guys, I'm back for 2 seconds just to ask you a huge favor. Will you please subscribe to our channel if you enjoy our videos? It would help us. It helps us a lot to grow the channel and the motivation to keep making videos. So yeah, we would love you to subscribe to our channel and maybe like this video if you liked it and leave your comments below. We'd love to answer your questions, and yeah, that's about all I got. Please subscribe. Thanks.